we are playing some games. We also have made some handmade earring.
Thank you, Raffles, for inviting us.
Today we are doing Red Race by Raffles. I think this is the second season, right?
Yeah, as they told us. This time we got the chance to come here and experience a lot of activities.
For me, it's the business and management department, that part. Yeah, because we did some pitching. Yeah, I like that. And we brainstormed together, me and my team.
For me, definitely it's the 𝗥𝗘𝗃𝗃𝗃 𝗃𝗃𝗃. I'm not really into that type, so I love the fun kind of thing. So I will go for the psychology part.
We played the Hunter game, right?
Yeah,
that was fun actually.
I got betrayed as well.
Really?
Yeah. It is a really helpful program for especially students in our age and all.
Yeah, it exposed us to a lot of departments and also develop our social skills.
Yeah, we should start now exploring this kind of things so that it will be easier for us to continue our studies when we move on to college or universities and all.
Oh, they were extremely fun.
I expected them to be more strict, but
they were very chill. They were very chill.
Make us very comfortable with them. Yeah, that's really good. Thank you. Thank you so much for calling us.
Thank you, Raffles, for giving us this opportunity to have fun and spend the day with us.
We will be grateful for the experience. Thank you.